It is a cold start to the morning. Brittany, you are tracking some feels like temperatures in the 40s, right?
Yes, and even some 30s across the area. It's not going to stay chilly all day, though. We are looking at seasonal afternoon highs, which is going to put us right around that 70-degree mark. But you are definitely going to want to grab the jackets as you head out the door this morning, because a breezy wind is adding a bite to the air, and that wind is going to stay strong all day today. That's why you're kind of seeing the blue and the white moving on Tuesday. That's to indicate those gusts of 30 to 35 miles an hour. That's going to lead to that elevated fire threat for this afternoon, because we are going to see that relative humidity dropping to around 15 to 25%. But our temperatures, those are warming up into the lower 80s as we head into the later part of your work week. But we are tracking our next rain chance. The timing looks a bit delayed. Now it looks closer to Sunday into Monday for some showers across the area. But look at this, temperatures are up to about 20 degrees warmer, especially around Breckenridge and Graham. But that's still only putting us around 46 to 47 degrees out to the west. 38 in Mineral Wells. We've got about 46 in Dallas, 40 in McKinney right now, and 38 in Terrell. And with that wind, we are feeling about 3 to 5 degrees cooler this morning. But satellite radar, very quiet. We do have just a couple of clouds off to our north, so some of those high clouds may filter in today. But you're definitely going to want to keep those sunglasses nearby, because we are going to have a lot of bright sunshine, and by lunchtime, that's when those winds are really going to get a bit more gusty. We're sitting at 64 degrees, and then that high around 70 degrees this afternoon. So very pleasant weather for all the ceremonies going on, especially this morning. But here's that fire weather outlook. It is an elevated fire threat for all of north and central Texas because of that reduced humidity. So you are going to want to make sure you're avoiding anything that could spark a fire out there. But here's a look at futurecast. We're not going to see too many changes today because of the bright sunny skies. We have dry air in place, so not too many clouds, but we will see a few of those clouds moving in overnight tonight. They'll clear out, giving way to a lot of sunshine as we head into your Wednesday afternoon. And then we're tracking some rain chances. I mentioned, you'll notice East Texas maybe close to an inch over the upcoming week. So this is a look at a different model than what I showed around 545, because there are a lot of discrepancies between the models. This one showing maybe an isolated shower Saturday afternoon, and then really bringing in the more widespread rain that would be heading into Monday morning. This one indicating that we might even get some thunderstorms with that, but there are still a lot of question marks around the timing of our next system and what impacts we're looking at. But we are alerting you to that potential of rain Sunday into Monday, but we still have a lot of dry days to get through first. Madison.